Hi friends, I am Arun Giri. You are most welcome to our channel Technical Concept. In today's video, we will see how to use the measuring tape. How to measure the distance by using measuring tape. Okay, so let's start our topic without wasting the time. So this is the measuring tape. By using this, we are measuring the distance. So there are two types of scales are present on this measuring tape. This is a inch scale and this is metric scale. Okay, so by using inch scale you can measure distance in inch and feet. By using metric scale you can measure the distance in millimeter, centimeter and meter. Okay, so this is the inch scale. Now we'll see how to read the inch scale. Okay, so let's see. This is the inch scale and you can see here from here this is the big line and this is the big line. So these big lines are inch reading. Okay, here from here to here 1 inch is completed. You can see here this is the big line and this is the detailed view of this section. So this is the big line and this is the big line. Okay, in between these two big lines there are 16 lines, small big 16 lines are there. So these big lines, the biggest line are inch line. Okay, from here to here it is 1 inch. From here to here it is 1 inch. And in between inch line there are many lines. There are half inch line, quarter inch line, eighth inch line, and 16th inch line. So let's see. This is the inch line and this is the inch line. At the middle of these two lines there is one biggest line. Okay. This biggest line is half inch line. Okay, and in between half inch line and 1 inch line there are many small big lines are there, but the biggest line is present in between this half inch and 1 inch line is this line. So this is quarter inch line. Okay, it is written as 1/4. Okay, and in between this uh, quarter inch and this is the quarter inch, and then in between this quarter inch and 1 inch line there is three small big lines are there. Out of these three, one is biggest line is there. This is the biggest line. So this biggest line is 1/8 inch line. Okay, and this is the distance between any two adjacent line is 1/16 inch. Okay, that means distance from here to here it is 1/16. Okay, distance from here to here is 1/8. Okay, and distance from here to here is quarter inch. Okay, now we see some equations. 12 inch is equal to 1 feet. Okay, always you can see here in some measuring tape instead of writing 12 they are writing 1 feet. That means 12 inch is equal to 1 feet. Okay, and 1 inch is equal to 25.4 mm. This is the equation between inch and metric scale. And 1 foot is equal to 1/8 inch. That means this is the 1/8 inch. Okay, from here to here. Okay, so this is equal to 1 foot. From here to here. Okay, this is 1 foot. That means total 8 sheets is equal to 1 inch. Okay, in 1 inch 8 sheets are there. Okay, now this is all about the inch scale. Now we will see what is metric scale. So in metric scale you can measure the distance in three parameters, that is millimeter, centimeter and meter. So millimeter is the smallest unit you can measure by using metric scale. Okay, you can see here from here to here. Okay, it is 1 centimeter. So this is the biggest line and this is the biggest line. The distance between from here to here is 1 centimeter. In between this big centimeter line there are many small lines are there. The distance between any two adjacent lines is 1 millimeter. That means from here to here it is 1 millimeter, and total 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, in between these two biggest lines there are many small lines, but at the middle there is one big line. This big line indicates 5 millimeter or half centimeter. Okay, This is 98. This indicates 98 centimeter, and this indicates 99 centimeter, and this big line indicates 98.5 centimeter. Okay, and total 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay, you can see here. This is the 100 centimeter. Here 1 meter is completed. Okay. Now we will see some equations. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter or 10 mm, and 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, and in 1 inch there is 25.4 mm. Okay, so this is the equation between inch and millimeter. Okay, so this is all about the today's video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please press like button and subscribe the channel, and if you have any query, then please comment in the comment box. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.